everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be showing you how to write math on Google Docs. So let's get into it. So first what you're going to want to do is go to the Insert tab and scroll down until you see Equation. Select Equation. Next you'll see a submenu bar has popped up. There will be 4 options: Greek letters, miscellaneous operators, relations, math operators, and arrows. We're going to look at math operators to start. If I click on math operators, I'll see many options. One being a fraction. If you select that, you'll see a little line pops up and you'll be in the numerator. If I click 4, it should appear in the numerator but with no denominator. If I want to switch to the denominator, I'm going to click Tab and then click 5. To exit the fraction, click Tab one more time. Next, I want to put in a multiplication symbol. So I'm going to go to Miscellaneous Operators, select it, and then click on the multiplication symbol. Next, I can create a new fraction, 6/9. I'm going to click 6, Tab, 9. Then I'm going to click Tab one more time and click Equals. Now, if I want the answer to be a variable, I can just select any letter, and you might notice it looks different. This is because the computer is trying to make it look more like a variable for math purposes. Now, to exit the equation, click Enter. Next, we're going to go over some more functions of Insert Equation. First, let's create a new equation. Next, we're going to add a new fraction. In the numerator of the fraction, I'm going to put 3 and then click Tab to edit the denominator. I'm going to add an exponent as the denominator. To do this, you're going to want to go to Math Operators and select Exponent. First, I'm going to click 2 and then click Tab to add my exponent, which will be 3. By clicking Tab again, I exit the exponent, and by clicking Tab one more time, I exit the fraction. Now I'm going to add a relation symbol. I'm going to add the not equal to symbol. Now I'm going to add another fraction. In the numerator of this fraction, I'm going to put a longer equation. First, I'm going to do 3 multiplied by 4 divided by an exponent. So I'm going to go back to Math Operators and select Exponent. I'm going to put 2 tab or squared 2. Now I'm going to click Tab to exit the exponent and Tab to edit the denominator. I'm going to put a square root now. I put 4 as my square root. I'm going to click Tab once to exit the square root and Tab again to exit the fraction and click Enter to exit the equation. Now I'm going to show you how to set up long order of operations problems using Insert Equation on Google Docs. First, add a set of brackets. Now we're going to add 2 sets of parentheses. 1, 2. In the middlemost parentheses, I'm going to add a simple equation. 3 plus 4 minus 2 plus 8 squared. So I'm going to add an exponent, 8, tab, 2. Now click Tab again to exit. I'm going to go here. Make sure that you're in. Use the arrow keys to navigate this because sometimes it'll look like you're editing one part, but you're actually editing another. So I'm going to add another simple equation. 5 multiplied by 7 minus these middle parentheses. Now we're going to go here and make sure to use the arrow keys, or you might end up doing something like this. So make sure you're editing these parentheses right here. Now we're going to add multiplied by 9. Now we're going to edit the outermost brackets. Make sure you use the arrow keys so you don't mess up. First, now we're going to add a square root. And we're going to put 64 as our square root and click Tab to exit it, plus the middle parentheses. Now we're going to add multiplied by 32. and then we're going to exit the brackets and type equals y. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please subscribe and hit that like button and comment down below what you want to see more of. Bye!